Master English tenses. 20 practice exercises. You have 5 seconds to solve it. Fill in the blank. By the time we arrived, they leave the party. A. Had left. B. Left. C. Have left. D. Will leave. Answer. A. Had left. Explanation. Past perfect shows the action, leaving, happened before another past action, we arrived. She, work, here for 3 years by next May. A. Has worked. B. Will have worked. C. Had worked. D. Works. Answer. B. Will have worked. Explanation. Future perfect shows an action completed by a specific future time. I already finish my homework before you called. Answer. I had already finished my homework before you called. Explanation. Past perfect indicates the homework was done before you called. He read the book 3 times already. A. Has read. B. Had read. C. Will read. D. Is reading. Answer. A. Has read. Explanation. Present perfect shows an action that happened multiple times up to now. When I was young, I play soccer every evening. A. Played. B. Play. C. Have played. D. Am playing. Answer. A. Played. Explanation. Past simple describes a repeated action in the past. By next week, she complete her project. A. Will complete. B. Will have completed. C. Has completed. D. Completed. Answer. B. Will have completed. Explanation. Future perfect shows the project will be finished by a future deadline. They never see such a beautiful sunset before that day. Answer. They had never seen such a beautiful sunset before that day. Explanation. Past perfect highlights an experience before a specific past moment. I travel to Japan next summer. A. Am traveling. B. Will travel. C. Have traveled. D. Traveled. Answer. B. Will travel. Explanation. Future simple indicates a planned action in the future. We know each other for 10 years now. A. Know. B. Have known. C. Knew. D. Will know. Answer. B. Have known. Explanation. Present perfect emphasizes an action continuing up to now. The cake, bake, when we entered the kitchen. A. Had been baked. B. Has been baked. C. Was baked. D. Will be baked. Answer. A. Had been baked. Explanation. Past perfect passive shows the cake was already baked before we entered. By the time the train arrives, we wait here for an hour. A. Waited. B. Have waited. C. Will have waited. D. Are waiting. Answer. C. Will have waited. Explanation. Future perfect shows the waiting will be completed by a future time. He not see the movie yet. A. Has not seen. B. Did not see. C. Will not see. D. Was not seeing. Answer: A. Has not seen. Explanation: present perfect is used for actions that haven't happened yet, but may still happen. When we got to the beach, the sun already set. A. Was setting. B. Has set. C. Had already set. D. Will set. Answer: C. Had already set. Explanation: past perfect shows the sun set before we got to the beach. Next month, they live in this city for 5 years. A. Will live. B. Will have lived. C. Live. D. Lived. Answer: B. Will have lived. Explanation: future perfect emphasizes a completed duration by a future time. She just start cooking when the guests arrived. A. Has just started. B. Had just started. C. Will start. D. Starts. Answer: B. Had just started. Explanation: past perfect highlights the action, starting, happened before the guests arrived. I learn Spanish since I moved to Madrid. A. Have been learning. B. Will learn. C. Learned. D. Learn. Answer: A. Have been learning. Explanation: present perfect continuous shows an ongoing action started in the past and continues now. He finish his homework before dinner every day. A. Finishes. B. Finished. C. Has finished. D. Will finish. Answer: A. Finishes. Explanation: present simple is used for habitual actions. The package, deliver, before noon tomorrow. A. Is delivered. B. Has been delivered. C. Will have been delivered. D. Was delivered. Answer: C. Will have been delivered. Explanation: future perfect passive shows the action will be completed by a specific time. We visit Paris twice in the last year. A. Will visit. B. Have visited. C. Visited. D. Visit. Answer: B. Have visited. Explanation: present perfect describes actions that occurred at an unspecified time within a period. The house, build, when the storm hit the town. A. Is being built. B. Had been built. C. Was being built. D. Will be built. Answer: C. Was being built. Explanation: past continuous passive shows the action was ongoing when the storm hit. Write in the comments below how many correct answers you got. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more English practice exercises.